Miss Ellie here. Today we're decorating tonight. We're decorating for Halloween. Look at this stuff. We still have a lot to do, cheeries, but I have my showstopper piece. My very beautiful, I love this tree so much, cheeries. You know how we have a Christmas tree for Christmas? This is our Halloween tree for Halloween. We moved it to this corner, which is good for the neighbors and cheeries walking outside. And us, we get to see the lights from out there. Anywho, cheeries, let's get to it. And I'll see you later. Bye.
So first, cheeries, I had to set the mood a bit, so I lit this nice candle so the place smells nice. And then I started to move the decorations from these old bags into some nice bins so that I could see what I have and what I don't have, and then get an idea of where things will go. That was a necessary step.
Oh my gosh, cheery. Oh my gosh. I just spent the longest time looking for my Halloween lights. Look who's visiting us. Hello. It is 11 o'clock and they look sleepy, cheeries. And when I think of the things that aren't done, cheeries, that makes me even more sleepy.
So these cheeries are the cutest things I've ever found. They are just so beautiful and so adorable. These little elf dolls, they sell them for different seasons and they are just so brilliantly designed, so clever. I just love them and I'm so happy that they sell them and then they make them. And now it's time to put up the lights, cheeries. This is the second most daunting task after putting up the purple tree, which I had done previously. First I have to remove the old lights that I have up there, and then just hopping over furniture and climbing and carrying ladders for a good amount of time until I like what it looks like, and then I sit and ponder for a bit. Later, cheeries, I got a surprise visit from the girlies. They came to inspect my work and see if I'd done a good job, and yes, they seemed happy and I passed. But they told me to keep going because there's more to do, so that is what I have to do.
I finished the chandelier. You find the bulbs and then look at that. Put some other decorations. Oh, look who it is. Willow. Hi. Willow, what you doing over there? It is only 12 o'clock, cheeries, and I'm about to dive into my REM cycle. Just go straight to it. I am going to take a nap, probably on the floor for a bit, and then a cold will wake me up and I'll go back to work and keep decorating. So, see you. one helper. Hello. Mwah. Here's my other helper. Hello.
Hello.
All right, cheeries. So see you later. Happy Halloween. Have fun. Be safe. Eat lots of candy. Brush your teeth after. Bye. Love you.